Ready? We're good. About 3 seconds here. 3, 2, 1.
Good evening. I'm Major Saul Suarez with the Harris County Sheriff's Office. To my right, we have Lieutenant Michael Santos that leads our homicide division. Right next to him is Chief Philip Vasquez. Next to him is Major Jennifer Hernan. And then to my left, we have Captain Sandy Chapa, who leads the Northeast Patrol District. And then we also have Major John Nanny, who's over the East Patrol Region. And then behind him, we have Captain Wagner, who leads our homicide division. So approximately 6 p.m. today, our deputies were dispatched to a family disturbance. Prior to their arrival, they had received multiple calls advising of a suspect that was armed with a knife. Upon their arrival, they encountered the suspect, and the suspect was holding a bat. They gave him multiple verbal commands and on several occasions to put the bat down. However, the male approached him and at one point started charging at him with the bat. One deputy discharged his weapon, causing the suspect to be detained and be transported. He did suffer multiple gunshot wounds and was transported to a nearby hospital. At this point, he's in a serious condition. And everybody else is okay. The deputies were not injured. The deputy that did fire his weapon is a 3-year veteran with us, with the Harris County Sheriff's Office. And the suspect, he does have a violent criminal history, and he's approximately 30 years old, Hispanic male. We have occurring now just standard protocol and officer-involved shootings. We have our homicide team investigating. We also have our crime scene unit, our internal affairs division, and also we have the Harris County District Attorney's Office also investigating the incident. And also standard protocol, we do have body cam footage, and we'll be releasing it within 45 days. Also want to advise the community that at this point there is no other threats to anybody in the community or public safety, and I ask you for your patience as we process the scene. We're going to be here possibly a couple of more hours while we continue to process the scene and also block traffic. Any questions?
Was the suspect, did he have mental issues? There was something that the sheriff tweeted earlier about that?
Yes, sir. At this point, I'm not able to confirm that. The call did, the comments on the call slip, the original call slip advised that he could be suffering from a crisis. However, we don't have any other further information on that. And also, like I said, there was another call that came in that advised that he was holding a knife.
Was he part of the original domestic disturbance, family disturbance call
Yes,
that
sir.
you had?
Yes, sir. According to the call slip, it was a mother that called it in, and he's the son. So we did confirm that at the scene. Again, it's preliminary. We're just processing the scene, but we are able to confirm that at this point.
Can you say any more about the violent criminal history? What kind of?
Yes, sir. So he does have violent criminal history related to like assaults, aggravated assaults. So we do have multiple arrests for those type of incidents or crimes.
Where did the shooting physically, was it outside where it happened? Where did it physically happen?
It happened right outside the residence and right directly in front of it.
Was the victim the mom? Was she the one being assaulted?
No, the mother called it in. There was a disturbance involving the son and the mom. So
Was she being abused? That's my question.
we haven't confirmed that at this point. We do have her at the scene. We are investigating her as well as investigating other family members that were at the scene. It's my understanding that the sisters were also there.
Have you been called out here before?
Yes, sir. We did check criminal history on the address. We have been here within the last 4 years. However, the calls for service are related to other types of incidents unrelated to today.
So, just so we're clear, the call was that she was being threatened by her son with a knife?
No, sir. The call originally came in as a family disturbance.
What
The
does
son,
that mean?
family disturbance. The son and the mother were having a disturbance, and the son was going through a crisis. That's all the information we had. Then another call came in and said the son now had a knife. So at that point, we dispatched officers to the scene, obviously to determine what type of other incidents are occurring, and that's when we encountered the suspect with a weapon. Again, he was holding a bat.
Okay,
And when you got out here, he didn't have a knife, he had a bat.
That's correct.
Okay.
and that's a baseball bat?
That is correct, baseball bat.
A wooden bat or a metal bat?
It appeared to be a metal bat. Yes, sir.
Were there any protection orders? Did he have any warrants? Was he out on bonds?
I'm not able to confirm that at this moment, so we will be able to provide that at a later date once we confirm it. Any other questions before I go into
How
Spanish?
many times was he shot? You said multiple.
Multiple times. I'm not sure how many, but he was shot multiple times.
And it was one officer who fired the shots?
That is correct.
And to your knowledge, he's in serious condition.
That is correct. Yes, sir.
And one more question before we continue. But any mental units showed up along with the officer, or he came here by himself?
It was 2 officers that responded. They weren't assigned to a mental unit. However, I do also I forgot to mention earlier, the officers did provide aid to the suspect until ambulance was able to get here and transport him to a nearby hospital. Any more questions? Then I'll turn it over in Spanish.
Great.
Buenas tardes, soy Mayor Saúl Suárez con el Departamento del Alguacil del Condado de Harris. Estamos aquí en el noreste del condado investigando un tiroteo que ocurrió involucrando uno de nuestros oficiales. Aproximadamente como a las 6 de la tarde, 2 oficiales respondieron a una llamada de disturbio familiar. Antes de que llegaron tenían información que un sospechoso tenía una arma. Cuando ellos llegaron, encontraron al sospechoso que traía un bate. Le dieron muchas órdenes que soltara el bate, pero el sospechoso trató de acercarse a ellos con el bate. Un oficial le disparó, entonces el sospechoso fue detenido. Los oficiales sí le atentaron de darle asistencia médica hasta que llegó la ambulancia. Entonces los trasladaron a un hospital donde ahorita está en condición seria. Quiero recordarle a la comunidad que ahorita no hay más riesgo para la seguridad pública. Vamos a estar exigiéndole por su paciencia, porque vamos a estar aquí como de perdido 2 o 3 horas más. Como cualquier otro incidente de estos, nosotros tenemos nuestro equipo de homicidio, nuestro equipo de escena de crimen, también nuestros asuntos internos que investigan esto, y también el fiscal del condado de Harris también investiga. También quiero recordarle a la comunidad que en este tiempo de incidentes también, por su paciencia, porque vamos a estar más tiempo y también que vamos a estar investigando. ¿Unas preguntas?
Rapidito, la primera llamada fue, aparentemente, o una de las llamadas fue de alguien que estaba en una crisis mental. ¿Qué se puede saber de eso? Si alguna unidad mental llegó a la escena.
Una unidad mental no llegó, la llamada decía crisis nada más, no sabemos si era mental o no. También quiero avisarles a la comunidad que el sospechoso es 30 años, también es hispano, y el oficial de nosotros tiene 3 años con la agencia, y también este tipo de incidentes, nosotros tenemos video del incidente, lo vamos a darle a la público entre 45 días. Pero sí, no teníamos unidades de crisis, esta era patrulla regular y nomás teníamos crisis, es la única información que tenemos.
El historial, él tiene historial criminal, me dicen, ¿verdad?
Sí, el sospechoso tiene historia criminal bien violenta, de asaltos agravados, y entonces eso sí está confirmado.
Y también el historial de llamadas a esta casa. ¿Ustedes tienen historial?
Sí, tenemos historia que de hace 4 años tenemos 2 incidentes, pero esos incidentes no están relacionados a esto. ¿Hay más preguntas?
¿Quién hizo la llamada, señor?
La llamada original fue la mamá, tratando de advertirnos que tenía disturbio familiar con el hijo.
¿Algo más?
Thank you.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you.
Thank you.